birthdays, weddings, binyag, hindi lang po yung funeral. Ayoko po eh. Yung studying, continue, working.
Virginia Young.
This could be the short name.
Okay, Virginia Young.
I just call it Virginia.
Yes, Virginia. That's really Virginia.
You have a nice voice. Can you talk louder?
Okay. I'm from Nabotas Institute. I'm a trainer of Japanese language.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sean Catherine De Hoya. I'm from Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Short name?
You can call me Kat.
Joanna, Virginia, Kat. Okay.
You can call me Ate Mase, Mace, whatever. English ba dapat? Purely English, okay, try my best. Okay, I'm a former OFW po. I do hair and makeup in Saudi Arabia before 10 years. But I have a 1-year background in wedding and banquet hall in Jeddah. And then, may NC to Tagalog. I have the NC event management training din po last year. And I have my own little company, Amazing Days Events, sa Baler. 6 years. This year is 6 years. And I am here to achieve more knowledge because meeting different people, different experiences could help me more challenge and achieve more goals and knowledge from each of everyone here, because we have different experiences and different areas that we handled prior. To me, it's not important the start. It's important. It's what you have now. So, makeup artist din po ako. I'm a makeup artist as Sir George. Makeup artist, and I do hosting too. I'm trying to learn and learn and learn. And I hope we could be friends. And welcome sa Baler. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Rosa Plaza. I'm 34.
What's the short name?
Rosa Plaza po.
So, Rosie. Are you the one that came to Chile? Oh, you are?
Yeah. And I'm from Nueva Ecija. I'm 25 years old and I currently working at Nature's Cape Farm and Resort in Nueva Ecija.
Yes.
Mother.
Yes. I'm an entrepreneur. I like to do business.
Yes, sir.
Your English is good.
Taglish.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, madam. I'm Cecil Portales. I live in UC near here, Bagong.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Jonathan Lopez Bunani. I'm 15 years old.
How old?
Just kidding. I'm 24 years old.
Ang company, so iba-ibang
tayo
training.
video. Yeah. Hi!
Ay, video. Saya.
Ay, mag-hi ka. Hi! Hello! Hello po. Ay,
Kaya naman atin kayo na. Ano pa siya? At may binili.
ito na yung before after.
Kulay na ulit.
Pakita niyo yung mga bit-bit niyo.
Salamat mo na 6.
Grabe.
Pamunta tayo sa 6th floor na.
Ano na ba?
Part na. Okay.
Salamat na 6 p.m.
Ang daming baon. Naghiganti. Ay, nako po. Tayo.
Why are you setting light to see? No.
Ang bilis natin. Uy.
That's your remedy.
Towards the battle. And like an eagle is the only bird that flies into the storm, it is time for you to fly.
First, thank you everybody. Salamat dahil na-meet ko kayo, nakilala ko kayo from different side of the sample lang na there was a time na meron kaming event, and then si Vanessa, and siya yung nagiging assistant ko during the event. And then may inuutos sa kanya yung program director ng buong program, ng flow, and then hindi niya sinunod, dinecline niya. Sabi niya, hindi ko siya sinunod, ma'am, kasi ikaw yung boss ko eh. Ikaw yung nagpapasweldo sa akin. Sabi ko, wag ganun. Wag ganun. Gusto ko maging reason mo why you didn't follow her instructions, because you know what to do, not because I am your boss at giving you the salary. Oh, sorry ma'am, now I know. But good job on that part. Kasi you know your role. Well, isang sample lang yan from different experiences with the events. And with this workshop, real quick workshop, I will read my pointer now. First, communication to staff. Second is equally treated staff. And the last one that still in my mind, organized team is a successful team. Well, you can catch up with me through Facebook, anything you can ask me with my experience. I am really willing to share. Kasama si ate. Willing kami mag-share ng experiences namin sa aking mga events for free. We're friends already. And I'm so grateful to have had the opportunity to participate in this training. And personally, I would like to thank you, sir, for leading this training. Not everyone has a chance to attend to this kind of training. Kataon lang we have money to pay for, to travel, and to attend with this, because you cannot get all the skills and the expertise from dyan lang sa labas, from somewhere. It should become from like sir, because he has the power to share it because of his expertise. So let's give a round of applause, sir. You're so good. And sharing your expertise, sir, with us, it was an absolute pleasure. Sobrang thankful po kami. And then, lastly, always remember these skills, trainings like this, and passion is the best weapon, being a successful coordinator and a leader. Thank you so much, and uuwi tayo.
What you can do is you can do it over there, right?